वेलकम टू मराठा विद्या प्रसारक समाजास के आरटी आर्ट्स BH कॉमर्स AM साइंस KTHM कॉलेज नासिक. Myself Sampad Demse, working as associate professor in Department of Electronic Science. Dear students, we started chapter 2 instruction set, and in that chapter the topics arithmetic instruction set part 5 we are going to discuss in this video lecture. Types of instruction. Every instruction consists of three fields: operation code field, address of operand #1, address of operand #2. According to these fields, the instructions are classified into 5 groups: data transfer instruction, arithmetic instruction, logical instruction, bit oriented instruction, and branch instruction. Let us discuss the arithmetic instruction sets. Instruction a decrement DEC, operation DEC, function decrement register, syntax decrement register, that is DEC. Description: decrement the value of register by 1. If the initial value of register is 0, decrementing the value will cause it to reset to FF, that is in decimal. In hexadecimal it is FFH. The carry flag is not set when the value roll over from 0 to 255. Now these instructions are like this. This is a mnemonics and this is the instruction. Description of that instruction, addressing mode, and number of bytes required to execute this instruction, number of cycles required to execute this instruction. Decrement A. The content of accumulator will be decremented by 1 and result is stored in accumulator register, register addressing instruction. Decrement Rn. The content of Rn, that is general purpose register, whose values is in between R0 to R7, decremented by 1 and result is stored in Rn, register addressing. Decrement direct. The content of random access memory directly pointed by this byte will get decremented by 1. 2 byte instruction. Number of a byte required to store this instruction is 2. Direct @RI. The content of internal random access memory indirectly pointed by general purpose register R0 or R1, that is RI, that content will be decremented by 1. So this is the instructions. Now more instruction like this: instruction, operation code, bytes and flags. None of the flags are affected in this instruction set. Decrement A, having operation code 14H, the content of accumulator will be decremented by 1. Decrement internal random access memory address. The content of internal random access memory whose address is pointed here, that is IRAM address, will get decremented by 1, having operation code 15H. Decrement @RI R0. The content of internal random access memory whose address is pointed by indirectly given by pointed by R0 register, decrement by 1. The content of decrement @R1. The content of internal random access memory whose address is indirectly pointed by R1 register, decremented by 1, having operation code 17H. Decrement R0. The content of content of general purpose register, decremented by 1. A result is stored in R0 register, having operation code 18H. Decrement R1. The content of R1 will be decremented by 1, having operation code R19H. Decrement R2, content of R2 register, general purpose register R2 decremented by 1, having operation code 1AH. Decrement R3, the content of R3 register decremented by 1, having operation code 1BH. Decrement R4, that content of R4 will be decremented by 1, having operation code 1CH. And similarly, decrement R7, the content of R7 register decremented by 1, having the operation code 1FH. All instructions are 1 byte instruction, and none of the flag get affected. Detail: decrement A, DECA, decrement the accumulator by 1. The description: the instruction decrement the value in accumulator by 1. If there is 0 in accumulator, the result of operation is FFH, that is 255 decimal. Decrement A. Register addressing mode, the flags are not affected. So PSW or status register flags, no flags are affected. Now see, this is the instruction having operation code 14H. So this, before execution, the instruction will be in program memory 00 having 14H, and this is 1 byte instruction. So program counter register having the next address, that is 0001H. Before execution, accumulator content is suppose 1AH, and this is a PSW register, and this is a internal random access memory 128 byte, and these are the bank. So when DECA instruction execute, decrement accumulator instruction executed, the content of accumulator will be decremented by 1. So 0 minus 1 will be 1, and borrow will be 1, 1 minus 1 0, and again this remains as it is. So this is nothing but 1001, so that is 9, and 0001 means 1. So after execution, the content of accumulator will be 19H. So this is the content of accumulator, that is 19H. So this is content when decrement A instruction executed. Decrement IRAM instruction, decrement the internal random access memory by 1. The instruction decrement the value in random access memory internal by 1. If there is 0 in random access memory, the result will of the operation is FFH 255. Decrement internal RAM. Let us suppose this instruction is having decrement 78H. The content of internal random access memory 78H, decrement by 1. Direct addressing, flags are not affected, having operation code 15H. 2 byte instruction. Before execution, the instructions will be like this. The program counter will be having 10001H. So before execution, this PSW 00, that is RS0 and RS1 register bank 1 will be there, and this will be the instruction decrement 78H. 78H having the random access memory address having the content 1AH. So this 1AH get decrement by 1. So after execution, the content of random access memory, internal random access memory, that is 78H having 1AH. So 1AH will be like this, 00001 1010H. Now that is decremented by 1. So when it is decremented by 1, your result will be like this, 0 minus 1 will be 1, here 1, then 1 minus 1, this borrow will be 1, and 1 minus 1 will be 0, other bits remains as it is. So this gives us 9 and this gives us 1, 19H is the content of random access memory. After execution, the 78H random access memory content is 19H, and in this way this decrement I RAM instruction executed, that is decrement 78H. The content of random access memory pointed by 78H decremented by 1. So previously it was 1AH and now it is becomes 9AH. So 1A minus 1 means 1AH. Decrement at the rate R0. Decrement the internal random access memory by 1 whose address is indirectly pointed by R0. The instruction decrement the value in the internal random access memory 1 if there is 0 in internal random access memory. Result will be is FFH, that is 255H. Decrement at the rate R0. At the rate R0 indirectly address of internal random access memory get decremented by 1. So this is having addressing mode indirect. PSW status register, no flags are affected. Decrement at the rate R0 having operation code 19H, 1 byte instruction. So program memory 4K will be having 16H and the content of at the rate R0. So the content of this program counter register is 0001H. Now PSW register needed here. So this RS0 and RS1 gives the address of register bank 0, and in that register bank R0 having 38H. So this 38H gives the address of random access memory on which the content of that address is 1AH, and that is decremented by 1. So like this. So it is decremented by 1. So when it is decremented, 0 minus 1 will be 1 difference and borrow 1. 1 minus 1 0. So this gives us 19H. So after execution, the content of random access memory 128 byte 78 is decremented 19H. So previously it was 1AH and now it becomes what? 19H. Okay, so this is the content of random access memory. So this is 38, here also 38. Multiply instruction. So operation is multiplication, mul, function multiply accumulator by B, syntax MULAB, multiplies the unsigned value of accumulator by the unsigned value of B register. The least significant byte of this result is placed in accumulator and most significant byte is placed in B register after multiplication. Carry flag is always cleared. Overflow is set if result is greater than 255, if most significant bit is not 0, otherwise it is clear. So this instruction having operation code A4H and 4 machine cycle required. Carry flag and overflow flag get affected, 1 byte instruction. So mul AB, multiply A with B, lower byte of multiplication stored in accumulator and higher byte of multiplication stored in B register. So let us take the example. Originally the accumulator holds 80 in decimal and 50H in hexadecimal. B register holds 160, that is AOH. The result, the instruction MULAB will gives the product. So in decimal 12,800 and in hexadecimal 3200H. So the B is changed to what? Higher byte goes to 32 goes to B and lower byte goes to, that is, accumulator, and accumulator having now the content 00. Get clear? So like this. So here accumulator is having 00 and B register having 32H. So this is the content before execution, and after execution the product will be like this. So accumulator will be 00 and B register having 32H. So like this instruction get executed mul AB. Div instruction, operation division, function divide accumulator by B, syntax div AB. Description: divide the unsigned value of accumulator by unsigned value of B register. The resulting quotient value is placed in accumulator and remainder value is placed in B register after execution. The carry flag C is always clear. The overflow flag is set if the division by 0 was attempted, otherwise it is clear. Now see how it is like this. Div instruction needs the operation code 84H. So 1 byte instruction, 1 cycle required, and flags, carry flag and overflow flag get changed. Div AB, divide A by B. After division, the result, that means answer is stored, quotient value is stored in accumulator and remainder value is stored in B register. 4 machine cycle required. Let us suppose we are having simple execution. Accumulator having decimal value 251, that is in hexadecimal BH. B contains 18 decimal or hexadecimal 12. So hexadecimal 12. When this is executed, so when after execution of div instruction, 18 get divided. So 251 divided by 18. So answer will be first 1. So after subtraction, this 1 goes like this. So 71, again 18 multiplied by 3, 54. So 3 will be there. Answer now 13 and remainder is 17. This 17 not divided by 18, so remainder is 17 and quotient value is 13. So after execution, okay, this is the quotient value and this is remainder. So accumulator having now 13, that is 0DH, and B register having 17, that is in hexadecimal 11H. So after execution the answer will be like this. This is decimal and this is hexadecimal. In binary it is like this. This is in hexadecimal. So like this div instruction get executed. So student, we studied here the decrement instruction with 3 types of addressing: direct addressing, register indirect addressing, and register addressing. Again we saw the div instruction, multiply instruction, and how the execution take place in multiplication and div. So thank you for listening and watching the video. If you have any difficulty regarding with this topic, please contact on my mail ID sampadmc57@gmail.com, my WhatsApp number 9860389302. Thank you.